ewa we want to find out say a day nema committee no arrival at that decision and the lands ministry no so no their processes na omufem any reports are omode kwansana I mean such decisions are taken because already yet say Ibrahim Mahama no omode amano kra dada no obeye news outlets ni bi kra publish say Ibrahim Mahama di amano and say government di amano wodo ehon di amano echire ne yet say Felix Ofosuku achisa de krata ba say oh ye be ne competitive na say akoye say nka ye so source na ye dey man directly no anye sa akoye to say ye frame maku bi abeka ho mo mbeba no no so abe pribi e dey nti na man dane course all of these things no ye be di mu nkomo Mama Kabore, good morning.
Yeah, bro, opening again.
Bibi aboko de
I don't mum pabo. I hear you home.
Right. Yeah, the crop fancy minister ho ye
Bonya for Emmanuel Amakofi boa nyame adom.
Right.
Na ho ye pa.
Na 9 months so kosi
enfanentia ama Nhyira adwumafo ene yetiefo nyina se abrano bia moboni chidom na mbom papa tai na chi. Na mo so bo adwuma ndra homache we had an operation on the Ankobra. Me mu video bi na me ra ho aden. Yeah, operation na go bi apia den o 30,000 Ghana cedis. Nti na mo so fo njina wonu nja no. And ye report to ye as exhibits.
Mo say the year dance no course.
Yes, I see no. Anopa a Hunter West.
Okay.
A hon super true gidi ekoswa. And you can publish a fresh operation.
Okay. Pushima me na me Jeff project my.
Nymos is doing great.
Okay.
They are doing great.
But my young shots here from EMP, I know we'll come to Galamsey no kakra, but at the end because we learned the government came out say EMP and one more engineers and planners, which is I mean a company Ibrahim Mahama Edia for a year Damang mine. Now Mami Misa, what was the consideration for the initial release? You say Ibrahim Mahama's name has popped up. Say when ya contract now obey and son another letter from presidency say a competitive bidding. What happened? The communication.
Mami now I say
right.
You say uhunu dokuno biya mrebi etwam no ya bro. So before even becoming a spokesperson to the minister, I was also a political animal, a partisan person.
Okay.
I want to wholeheartedly accept in good faith criticism you are using the buyer. Say, yeah, man, for sometimes you kasa ha and niyama bebre. Because probably obi commentary binti. Amande nkomo ya yetenti probably me commentary binti and the amande ma yetenti probably no big nsemo a all kanti aman nsem no kwa bebre onipa bebre adwem na akokwa abuata front mi ansa badwom nyina afri akokwa ntwa krum ha yentimi mfa yentuma mfra nyina afri MPP party emu nipa bi because tiwo one more about one team, but bo kuntumpo amane boss say the engineers and planners. Ye damaya manono. They are members of parliament. Yes, a parliament is a house of records.
Right.
Now record be no parliament they say the damaya engineers and planners. Because as far as large scale mining companies of concern, no, and leases of concern, the process doesn't stop with just cabinet. Nti ebe court tender and now minister be use section 4 in the discretion. Ufri who ebe call minerals commission amoma agreement. The agreement now goes to cabinet for approval and then now comes to parliament for ratification. Now what tell me say be dwom ho ye mfa bibia my ha ye say ratify ma onyina so nka say dia ma obi wo di kan hwiri akwatifi akohunu zo no obegina na afo bi sa say dia na sie. It is a mekase krom hampuntu aka chiri dodo no afri MPP phone bi akokwa. You must understand it from that perspective. Yam pri ehon kogu nipa ho fi. Yam pri ehon ko kan de enim. Yam pri ehon ko je enim guase. French ni be say one ye numero on. But in Nhyira kan rade and ade action. Obia timi fa phone na wahunu de ekoso wiase ene ne mamu. Eno nti I am sure say Ghana fo nyina dodo no ahunu say nsema no mo kan nyina no eya hurudo huradasem. Kakra aka mema tise mema me abuna do twumu a wono phone yi kura no woni mu a nti obi a saa hwehwemu no be ne de no ono tina no pa wa mama kwanya ama betena ha no. First of all, dear creating yes kwasi bro ni yedi ndi dwabiem. I've heard the baseless allegation being made say ya Jeffrey Bronism the mama mpeninu. Sabe obi ani ho to na kokko be de kwa. Kwasi broni a ene ne de ensashe ntiase apomo 30 years ago. Afe duru ba bi no na ne su ne ba nyina kire se adwuma no won to aso bi. Akokko ai se oba ware a obetena no otuba ntiase odua o. Because when you say the life of every mind is dependent on how much exploration, further exploration you do. And the wahunu no awutu na oye hwehwemu foforo ka ho. Goldfields was not doing any further exploration. The life of every man again in terms of processing is dependent on your continuous mining. For 2 years, when him said that Goldfields was not mining, they were only doing processing. The aboba no mo tu asu mu hono ana mo feed plant no. But say ye
didn't na omonye.
That's say we dey obi nchira bofra nyame. Clearly kakra na egu ono me ya mo awie na mkom ba bi.
Okay.
There are evidence of letters one more trader comma subcontractor say on these days we will not be able to engage you again. January 2023, engineers and planners as a business person, who say Goldfields person or try letter come Minister of Lands at the time say Goldfields so or the ame person no could anobabaye. Now walk one farm mine unjam na me hwe Minister ehwe krata no no ano hwe nipa wo bisa saa asembusa no. O si da bi ehwe se de wanya suahunu ene wa hofama ne sebe o capacity awo a ye ni bibi ati awo kona one Goldfields nko ya no babaye. And then when I hear people say a favoritism here the selective engineers and plan and a tender committee the selective engineers and planners, I ask myself, a brand now bujina portrait letter of no objection no. Na no so your favoritism ana. No favoritism. Asembo ni ho adanse a asem kro no a itimi twabi e de adanse. Enti ye ba mu no. Then we realize over kaya gold price you too. So sembo to America no. After Goldfields be who say it's still economically viable to stay around. Or per additional new lease renewal. They say abrabo no mere mu odin ni ehunu adofo. Gold bo nya no wo ye suni ba bi e chese wo ko okrum. Ene de ekosoro de ayensan fama o. Ye no ntimi ndi dwabio. Abai no abaje. E de form transition team abai nkrofo nie Goldfields nkrofo nie. Ye de share on the 18th of April say in 1 year time you must have done with all necessary preparation. More handy mine back to mine. And then 11th. Hwie be now so edi enim no na kwasi buro ni sesa no nkuku. Ene ne nkaka afiri ho. Enti na no ada na Minerals Commission on the 19th of March. Basically just about a month to the expiration of the transition date no. Actually krata we de bre mi wura. Owura Makofi Boase. Minister Damang no nyame ya adomo a 18th ya na chese ekona wie ye pese ka o ma yetumi na invoke LI 2176, that is the mining and licensing regulation 2012. Na ye go through competitive tender process na ye pe obi a kwasi broni kwe obesi na nan akoko adansi enti ekum so nkrunso a na yehwia hwe
19th March 2026.
Good.
The Honorable Minister, Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources, Ministry Sakra, or say dear sir, recommendation for the conduct of tender for the grant of the Damang mining lease. Also, the Damang mining lease held by Aboasu Goldfields Limited, a subsidiary of Goldfields Limited, expires on 18th April 2026. With the deadline approaching, prompt action is needed to ensure operational continuity, project jobs, protect jobs, operational continuity, protect jobs, maintain service contracts, and reassure stakeholders about the mine's future.
Good. I don't know. Project continuity, protect jobs, reassure service contractors, and stakeholders about the future of the mine.
Okay. So, Oshaha was say, in line with Minerals and Mining Licensing Regulation 2012 LI 2176, specifically Regulation 2581A, 2581C, and Wabobo Bomrana was the Minerals Commission hereby advises and recommends that the new mining lease for the Damang mine be granted through a tender process. Okay, so Isaac Tandon, SIW, acting chief.
85 days time. Okay. One day later, by 5 days time, ministers here in consultation, man, penny focus, and all the response will come out Minerals Commission.
Okay, so reference to the recommendation for the conduct of tender for the grant of the Damang mining lease. Also, I refer to your letter with reference number RL220 dated 19th March 2026, in which you advised and recommended that I exercise my statutory authority under Section 5.1 of Minerals and Mining Act 2006, Act 703, to grant the new Damang mining lease through a tender process in accordance with the Minerals and Mining Regulations 2012. So you further noted that the current Damang mine lease held by Aboasu Goldfields Limited, a subsidiary of Goldfields Limited, expires on 18th April 2026. In line of this impending expiration, you underscored the need for timely governmental action to ensure operational continuity, safeguard employment, maintain existing service contracts, and provide assurance to stakeholders regarding the future of the mine. Having considered your recommendation, I hereby grant approval and direct the Minerals Commission to immediately commence the requisite processes for conducting the tender. Okay, right. Anti Emmanuel Makofibua, MP, Minister.
Right. Sign.
I was at that Facebook.
Fantastic.
So you can watch it.
Recommendation response will be. I know the criteria we Bible and things. Ghana Fui, Mama Minerals Commission for quite a competitive tender. We didn't participate.
Okay.
Carry who say oh dear bit me akọji Damang man no si wa manafa no to papa fra so kode ko be.
So this was a press release
on the same day.
On the same day, yeah. This is the 24th. We see 24th March 2026.
That same day, this is the tender guide.
Okay.
This was published on Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources website.
I was about Facebook all the documents so it was giving public notice. Say and
it was widely published. We no credit
Yeah.
You're publishing this one on the ministry's website and Minerals Commission website.
Okay.
So what is a KNUS announce say for students admission? You need just that information. But to how the process to apply the things also KNUS website. Yes, and it's all clients of the Minerals Commission and the Ministry of Lands knows where to get official documents as far as bidding or tender is of concern. Where you found could you be office no akaso kwa no corner see
right
public document in the public domain.
Yeah.
Okay. Na pona unson na.
And you said you be no more can say companies or mobile no kra no. Lands Ministry no any omo kasa dada be 9 on beka ho no. Said they be kan we kire so omo sheda frɛ from be shemu na omo na Ibrahim Muhammad de no. Be pray yes and so omo mo mfin so no frɛ omo no. There's a press release and no more flow which is here.
A group hanom no utwa ntora na sebe you can see huna prosin chew.
Right.
Nipa okasa one fan character bia media dance no aka fa no ho adi.
Okay.
Tete no anka na nanu ba me ya chewa to table so atwa chimpre. So na de esika me nka binti. Nti don't for them but ye ntie wo ka no wa ye manu twam wa.
Okay.
Enti 7 days near be to her. I've heard the people make the argument. And then 7 days a pair. LI 2176 now. Equal to competitive tender. There is nowhere stipulated say who quiet tender date say and I'm really saying a fatoso. So the
but
date,
when you need 7 days, Nisha.
7 days
As a
in Nusa,
ministry.
nipa do say na be day. Let's assume say time Nusa every day be akokwa, nipa ba akoko company ba akokra na be day akokwa. 7 days in how many companies should we expect? What I say. Again, the 7 day no I quote chusu ye no was guided by the continuity issue I raised here on the 18th of April.
Right.
Into come out 2 months now, baba. Ube we tender kwana kwasi broni kwa. You leave people's job hanging. That is why you move to the mind and say, Masa, obi anko fio ye nyenya successor. Nti munko fio tesi ye benya successor. Ni ekuro ma akuda na kokwa. Ni pani bi pa adwuma ye nya ye ncha den na omo manya bi ni ehwe ama na say. Ye we 7 days na company 4.
Yeah.
Vortex. Maripoma Mining Services. Heave Gold Fields. And engineers and planners.
Yeah.
Now, Midikaka say, Obi Bia or Kobe DB might have read this document and agrees that this will be the rules of the game.
Okay. If company, Dr.
Kwabena Dofo.
Company. No?
That's right.
Oh, no, so bad.
Oh, Babi.
Oh, okay.
But what I say?
Okay.
Yeah, valuation criteria means a mandatory requirement.
Right.
Mandatory requirement in the company no awade bano. I was say a wholly owned Ghanaian company.
Okay.
It is Akokwa Mining Services. I was Akokwa Ghana ni una ye kofar bae. Ebi our director Eugene Jeff no ne me bra Penny Bernard no ma. Also mu nyina ye Ghana for.
Okay.
U shareholders ye bi adana jantwa. O say o ye Ghana ni. U beneficial owners ye Robert Dambo ni Upomaya. Also mu so ye Ghana for.
Yes, for local everything.
Mining and minerals. When we say wholly owned Ghanaian, this is what we mean.
And you say we are brofo partner.
No. Because we are doing what we call local content.
Yeah.
And we say we're looking for indigenous Ghanaian business to take over.
Right.
ATS I know the Uhiana say what do directors or shareholders near you know data but near is only a Ghana for no Ghana.
Next and not already no go fields here disqualified.
That one just one count. Yeah, you are gross I come in your pap. I found the one count.
Because that actually almost was happening.
David see or so a penny see and fat you didn't need that. Because soon baby or done a ditcher and say no person yet.
Okay.
Enti Maripoma and Vortex. Omanti me and far dance die bebre a match they say mandatory requirement we no almost satisfied. To omo de hono no mumienu ye den efrimu. Okay. And Ebeka Heave and engineers and planners.
Right.
Now the soul and heart of every mind is based on your technical competences.
Okay.
Enti technical evaluation criteria no deliberately a year honum said threshold no 80%.
Okay.
And you say Obia na didn't you're breaking it down. For instance, your application information is 10 marks.
Okay.
Or specific experience in similar project and environment, 40 marks. Mami screenshot to even the tender committee report. Maybe I said our score be on fantasy.
I mean, we're getting some revealing information, sir.
But what I say?
And
so woman bisa ankatia busa Sonia Grodo. Woman bisa.
It's nice. Me here document. Full document, no.
I send my Jeff one.
From my Jeff. Jeff, my send it a year. They make snap here now. Every Facebook inti we showing no maybe bring the cum. Eda or how the ministry went about it. I mean tender processes now a cum. Maybe actually I can't want them, but we might not understand
applicant information.
Right.
Yeah, I know the interrogator who say.
Yeah.
We are mining company now. We are Katia Boga ni esi per miner now do so krataba. But because Heave and engineers and planners are both mining companies, you could see so when you now tender committee in score considerable marks. Engineers and planners got 10 out of 10. Heave Growth has got 8.2 out of 10.
Wow.
Or share specific experience in similar project and environment. Project in here, what type of project? A open pit mining.
Yeah.
Environment in here, Damang. You must know, say, in terms of specific project experience, since 2017, Engineers and Planners was the sole mining contractor for goldfields at Damang.
So what's technical and general experience and also a specific experience in
Honda Mecano.
40 marks.
40 marks.
Wow.
And that section, since 2017, Engineers and Planners in the mining hall as the mining contractor for goldfields.
Yeah.
So for about 10 years, on air mining, probably all experience was a human
experience wise, okay.
Since 2002, President Kufuor Pencil, and of course, after no mining contractor, other in other capacity, whole engineer day. So, in terms of the socio-cultural dynamics of the area, understanding the environment, between the two companies, why now feel so experience? Obi ako 2002, Obi a onye nko, why no experience? So, you could see, say, in terms of scoring, tender committee no ma EMP 38.6,
right?
And HEAF 18.4.
Yes, we're beating the crime.
Oh, just I mean, the American crowd so the dancers so experience. If you know, HEAF went to me and make it the 80% mark threshold at the technical evaluation.
That's the four companies.
Yes.
Okay.
Of course, it was just incorporated about 3 years ago. Maybe I don't do to so born home because such a young company waiting me and make it that progressive milestone was good.
What about the others?
P2 no. P2 no because they couldn't meet the friends mandatory requirement.
Okay.
It's not meaning the last phase of the evaluation, financial evaluation, EMP in Kwana qualify for the last stage.
Not from $600 million to $1 billion.
And once you don't qualify for the last stage, we don't even ask you about your finances.
Okay.
But what I say, so when pass or not deck and call university, I won't go train university exams. You could be engineers and planners say, $500 million or what you might be shim.
And you win no more ticket, no.
Exactly. That be Uncle
Max no was raw.
So these are the two companies.
Okay, we
know. So these are
the max.
Uncle say scores.
Screw, baby, they almost score, you know.
Uncle this side, Kakra.
About Facebook, I be how almost score. We are see Ibrahim Mahama company.
The marks are on the right side.
Okay, and or the marks in the battery. How the companies fared in that process.
Alright, Ibrahim Mahama. Ajuma obeji o say worth $500 million out be shame.
Okay.
Na timi atena. Okay, me nkrata ni adanse HSM music. Ye calculate na $500 million no grano. Offer the egu achire be say han totally. Papa no capacity. Committee in so in terms of 100%, omo rating 93.15%.
You see when they qualify.
And omo they per the law, they send their report to the Minerals Commission.
Right.
Minerals Commission will now summarize it in terms of the recommendation and transmit it to the minister. Minister will have to uphold it or not. Minister successfully have upheld the outcome of the tender. And no crime say the Ibrahim Mahama. He has only been recommended.
Okay.
Ntiafe Minister directed Minerals Commission said trigger all the regulatory actions. Only nonsense sign agreement. Who we have agreement in the bra. Yeah, the Beko cabinet approve here and send the parliament for ratification.
Okay, so engineers and planners the end down. Evaluation, no financial proposal.
That's right, 505.
Wow. Okay.
500 Dutch in Akukwa see the mammy new Eugene.
505
500 Dutch
US dollars.
500 Dutch. The mammy new Eugene ka Abrabomu koso papa.
Yeah. So for now no. The waki Kenya say
whoever want to talk to this matter and now person stage any contrary evidence. Afutu no the Eugene the amaye both political parties.
Sure.
We are taking the nuisance, partisan aspects out of it.
Yeah.
But in terms of challenging the credibility of the process, nipa no ba manumfa documenting bra. Oninkrata ene yenkasa sa.
Yeah.
Yenkasa keke.
Oninkrata.
Don't come and bastardize the process because even the tender committee, and yet based on someone's discretion, a constitutional constitution of the tender committee. The law says that 3 reps from the Minerals Commission, of whom 2 shall be chairman and secretary respectively, Chairman of the committee was Deputy CEO of Minerals Commission in charge of small scale mining.
Right.
Secretary was the Legal Affairs Director of the Minerals Commission. And a member, a legal title.
Okay.
Yes, see, I'm for GJ Penimra, you're for EPA Penimra, and Mame Professor Brown, Nana Kuluchi, and Dr. Akaba, Omona Free, Director General of Geological Survey and CEO of EPA. So these are people of high academic background and moral standing. They are not walkover people.
Okay.
Into people with contrary evidence here on Fambra rather than say or more and some more Mukaka. My foot to a medema and say Aliko Dangote didn't get there by accident. It took citizen support.
Okay.
Now what I call business forum. When him say hotel Yadekoye Jumadi was Rock City Hotel. Why dear?
Brian Champon.
Tiada Niakasi wa Bamu, Brian Champon NDC ni. And to say, President Mahama has a chance to rebuild this country.
Right.
And exactly there is certain agenda. Sebi, me, from where I sit, I know EMP, engineers and planners, who possesses sa expertise, capacity, vision to drive the Damang miner and then fasopa. My Ghana,
right.
And to yen so na sene na no ada na ye Pristia Bogoso. Future global resources for 2023 no msisa omo niema koye. Honorable Abujina Pojina so de adwuma no share. Ye papa Kobnado for company Heave Goldfields and sa.
Yeah.
And then through strategic investment, he has poured the first gold ewo Bogoso. In February. Heave. Yes.
Wow.
We're investing about $40 million. Just 3 days ago, he signed additional a year capital injection of about $65 million.
Wow.
SMB Ghana economy. It has even an upper cap. A bit my stand here could see $2.1 billion.
Wow. That's a huge
Ghana Neo. Asante this year. And this is what President Mahama means for local content. Say more. Now you build the indigenous, say the Eugene kind. The surest way to build your country is to privatize your economy. And the best privatization strategy is to get indigenous business thriving.
True.
And then HIF is doing so well. Yeah. And we must support HIF to get to maybe other companies do. The same way we are clotting for support for engineers and planners.
Yeah.
Now no me wo subrisu. Tepa.
Yeah.
Apparently there's
FJ
minerals.
Community, why is it
previous
happening
administration eco launched community mining without recourse or even engagement with the concession owner.
Did me a surprise? Timon lands and minerals, more intimate, like more engaging community, more they have to demonstrate.
Or call Subrisum Frantino or call anti-cooperative. There's no document. Even the local assembly, there is no document about our community mining. And that is, and it's not just there. It's at so many places.
Without stakeholder engagement.
Not just stakeholder, without doing the due process. Because before all the assassin, you might have done what we call legal search. Yeah. To ascertain, say, assassin, you'll be there. See, it's a pinty assassin now. That is why now, no minister, small scale mining licenses be now some one or revoke or the community mining, you now can't revoke here.
Yeah.
Because they had a lot of issues. But in Sri Lanka, Rade, FJ Minerals is a very progressive-minded company. They have make it a point, say, community be or more operation woman, they will live in harmony with the community people. And meaning say, Yakoha could take community nasem. Penifo minister and FJ resources didn't come on. In the coming week, community representatives there will be a meeting. Meaning say the baby for the by a minister. A team solve a problem. Sani ebe solve ama
because
because
situation
I
was
minister any FG nimpeni for etuana baba menka say we must support our own. And people like FJ Minerals, we must go all out because it's a Ghanaian company.
Yeah,
we must go all out to support them to get to the height.
That's fair. Eji ube free Kumasi da ben. what do you know ambition at the same? Still now, pay. And
my brother can be good. That we buy me in meeting.
I wouldn't need a meeting.
Although briefly, but
okay.
Second,
yeah.
I mean, we've had that love and support.
Okay.
They say, Sabio, it is not over until it is over.
Okay.
We are both for our own strategy. Because when you wait until the electionary period comes and you are going to, but I know the service. Mammy Kwan Mamma Sumo, I had this ready.
Communication.
I just say, Mammy Kwan Mamma Sumo, I had this ready. And I know, say Juma, a sumpa, a summa.
What can I say? I didn't cry what church you come up.
Say, if you
documents, and then you come with documents.
It will be about no fan gratama. Oh dear, your pon crano, eventually the dear.
Mohammed Kabore, no, and Otin and Kano, Minister, Lands and Natural Resources, the aid, no, na, and what my briefing, spokesperson, what my briefing on issues are ECOSO. Ewo EMP and ada FG minerals OT and also demonstrations course wana krumo for emprenia de ahwani nyina and so for Kabore ya me adoma me say here later and me wo some informations on Galamsey and other things I me pese ubeyi no
that's right
but
that's right
Breno ekwo kakra
so
ese me say di juma bi ntino echi memo asaba na yahwe eho no so because Ankobra ne other areas I have a lot of questions to ask particularly yebedin komobium bedase Mahmoud Kabore and out in Kano Lands and Natural Resources Minister spokesperson and wama a briefing on all what is happening through the tender processes of course no ibia na want yase how ekoba ya na yase watama manoni ade no wacheche mu how it went in the companies on be pray we wanted to understand ni nyina said the processes and documentations that are backing them in fact wama